Hi, it's Desi. Thanks for joining me today. I'm sharing my delicious recipe for sausage and peppers. It's easy, delicious, and budget friendly. So I hope you guys love it. I cooked the sausage in the microwave for 5 minutes, no water, a shortcut from my mom. I used the equivalent of 2 large sweet peppers, 1 large sweet onion thinly sliced, I like to slice the sausage thinly on an angle. And I sauteed the sausage and peppers in a little bit of olive oil. I cooked the peppers and onions for about 5 minutes or so till it's partially cooked. I added half a teaspoon of minced garlic. Add a package of thinly sliced sausage. And I cook that for about 10 minutes. I add a little bit of Italian seasoning. If you want a little milder taste, you could just use basil and oregano. I like to use a little bit of ketchup. It creates a nice gravy for the sausage and peppers. If you don't like sauce, of course, you could leave that out. Alternately, I use 4 ounces of tomato sauce if you want a more savory taste, but I usually don't want to waste tomato sauce, so I just use a little bit of ketchup. A little bit of salt and pepper. I usually add a teaspoon or 2 of sugar. This cuts the acidity in the sauce. Taste it and adjust the flavors to your liking and make any adjustments that you like. This is what it looks like when it's ready. I love to serve it with rice, but it's great in a sandwich also, or let me know how you like to eat it. Love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.